this video, we will learn how to manually jog the ABB IRB 120. Robot manipulators can be programmed to perform a certain task by moving through a series of clearly defined positions. Traditionally, this series of positions and orientations have been programmed manually. Jogging is the art of manually moving a robot's joints or robot's position using a teach-pendant joystick. Please note that jogging is only allowed in the manual run mode, and it is not possible when a program is executed. However, you can jog the IRB 120 regardless of what view is displayed on the teach pendant. The selected motion mode and/or coordinate system determines the way the robot moves. There are 4 selectable motion modes and 5 coordinate systems available by default on the teach pendant. A coordinate system defines a plane or space by access from a fixed point called the origin. The targets and positions are referenced by measurements along the axis of the coordinate systems. The ABB IRB 120 uses several coordinate systems, each suitable for a specific type of jogging. The world coordinate system defines the robot's work cell, and all other coordinate systems are relative to this world coordinate system. This is very useful when working with several robots in a workstation. The base coordinate system has its origin located at the center of the base of the robot. This coordinate system is used to easily move the robot from one position to another relative to the base of the robot. The tool coordinate system defines the position of the tool the robot uses when reaching the given target. This could be an end effector, a welding tool, a writing tool, or any other form of tools attached to the end of the robot. The work object coordinate system is relative to the workpiece, and it is often the best for programming the robot to perform a specific task. To find out more about coordinate systems, please see the text in the description of this video. There are 4 motion modes that determine how and what parts of the robots move. The first motion mode allows you to move the first 3 joints of the robot using the different axes of the joystick on a teach pendant. Remember that you can also twist the cap of the joystick to control the robot. The second motion mode allows you to control the last 3 joints of the robot using the joystick. Please use these 2 modes to roughly set the robot into your desired target pose. The linear mode allows you to move the center point of the attached tool or end effector along a straight line, either in the X, Y, or Z direction. Lastly, the orientation mode allows you to set the orientation of the attached tool or end effector about its center point. So I'll be showing you a little demo on how to jog the robot using a flex pendant. Note that this is very similar to how it would be done on the actual robot, but I'll be using the software to do this. So on the flex pendant, ensure that you're holding the enable button, which was shown in the previous video. and then you want to select the robot that you would like to jog and ensure that this icon is selected. When this is selected, you would see the 4 coordinate systems which were spoken about in this video, and all the 4 motion modes which you can use to jog the robot. So let's say I selected the first 3 joints. You can see that just moving the joystick, I can change the position of the first of the first 3 joints. I can also select the next one and change the position of the last 3 joints, and I can also select the linear and change the position of the end effector board linearly. If you noticed, when you selected the linear motion mode, these coordinate systems became enabled. Originally they were disabled, but when you select one of these ones, they become enabled. That's because these are specified based on the axis of the coordinate system. So moving this, when you select linear and select the base coordinate system, the position of the end effector is relative to the center of the robot. But if you selected the world, then it will be relative to the center of your world, and likewise for the other coordinate systems. I hope this explains how to jog the robot.